Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple task. It might not be simple, but how to install the Opera browser. Here we go. Assuming we're starting from scratch on an operating system and we have the default browser, Microsoft Edge, assuming we only have that one installed. We open up our Microsoft Edge browser here. Here we go. That's the home page. But what we're going to do is we're going to type in here. We're going to go to Google, and then we're going to type here, Opera browser. Download. There it is. Select it. I like to go directly to the domain where it belongs, which is right here. We can tell www.opera.com. That's the right one. There's many other ones. For example, Softonic here. There's another one here. Apps.apple.com. Digital Trends. Up to down. I would not recommend or suggest downloading the Opera browser through any of other these sites. It might come with a bundle software that you might need to customize, and even after you do that, it might come up with something else built in. I just don't trust it. These sites are good to download something else, but not you don't want to download something like Opera from a third-party website. You want to go directly to opera.com. So in this case right here, we have opera.com. Click there. It's going to take us directly to the site. As you can see, here's the download already. The button gives you some information. If you want to download it for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, Android, iOS, has it for all of it. These browser is nice, it's smooth. I personally don't use it. I like to use Firefox, but Opera, it's another alternative. You know, it's a good alternative. It's similar to Chrome, and it's a nice one. Let's download it here. Let's click download, and here we go. It's downloading here, as you can see on the corner. Once it's downloaded, we can click on the executable file. Here it comes. There it is. Is that asking us to accept and install? Well, we have to accept and install their terms of service. There's no other way, right? There you go. It's downloading. Extracting. Gotta give it a moment for it to download all the way. Once it's done, then we can proceed to use it. Here it comes. Bang. We have Opera. Nice. Look at this. Now we can close up Edge, and it says your personal browser is almost ready. Tweak the theme, settings and features to make it yours in less than 40 seconds. Alright, let's go. What do you want? I like dark. Or system, light, dark. I like dark. Next step, remove ads. It comes with a built-in ad blocker. Yeah, sure, let's remove ads. We don't want ads. Connect, next step. And then don't import it. Let's just start browsing. There you go. Now we are ready to get into the internet. The world is ours. All the information in the world. Google.com. Anything you want, you can browse. Yahoo.com. Anything. It's a great browser. Great to use. Thank you for watching, guys.